Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I am here to help you transform your house into a home. First thing first, thank you so much for showing so much love on my previous video which was on my apartment's entrance makeover, and if you are here for the first time then here's the link for you, but watch this video after watching this one. The star of that project was my DIY Kalamkari artwork, and so many of you wanted me to share the tutorial as soon as possible, so here it is. So first let's know the origin, theme, style and then process of the Kalamkari. Kalamkari evolved in two villages of Andhra Pradesh, Srikalahasti and Masulipattnam, or also known as Machilipatnam, and in both the places it is done differently. I'll talk more about that later. And it is also said that Kalamkari fabric was found at the archaeological site of Mohenjo-daro. Srikalahasti flourished under Hindu rulers and drew inspirations from Hindu mythology and depicted Hindu gods and goddesses and divine characters from Ramayana and Mahabharata, whereas Masulipattnam Kalamkari flourished under Mughal rulers and it is inspired by Persian motifs catering to the Islamic aesthetics. Kalamkari is done on fabric, mainly cotton or silk, but these days it is done on every surface. Srikalahasti involves 17 steps and is done freehand entirely, and excess colors are used like blue, green, red, yellow, and the figures of gods and goddesses have round faces, big and sharp eyes, and motifs are done without shedding. Whereas Masulipattnam involves 12 steps and it is done using two techniques, printing and painting, and it uses blocks too. And in this style of Kalamkari, intricate patterns are drawn like tree of life, creepers and animal figures. So the Kalamkari artwork I made is Masulipattnam, and now let me show you how I painted it. So this is the cardboard, which is 24 by 48. Okay, so I have drawn the pattern. So this portion will be in yellow color and this one will be in blue. So that's how I have marked the center here, which is 12 inches from this side. This is the color. Now I'm painting it. I did not prime it as I'll be hanging it outside my apartment, so not putting extra efforts. Here is how it looks after the first coat. This is the line that divides this painting into two equal parts. I have decided to draw an elephant and a tree of life. So this is the elephant, and now I am drawing the tree of life. After drawing the entire design, I just filled it using white acrylic paint. If you feel like giving second coat, you can do so. I didn't do it. Now only thing left is the intricate details, and for that really thin brush or black pen should be used. And the pattern I am making here is the most common feature of Kalamkari. Motifs are mainly filled with concentric scalloped lines. So the painting is complete now. I'll make a frame for it. I got this frame timber and then got its ends cut 45-degree angle so that all the frame parts fit correctly. And then I painted it yellow. When it dried, I used wood glue to stick it on the cardboard and then left it to dry. Now I am fixing these nails on the back of the cardboard so that the frame is well secured. Then in the center, using small screws, I fixed this hook. There were small gaps in the frame corners, so I used Shilpkar clay to fill the gaps, and seal can also be used in place of clay. After that, I just left it to dry for half an hour and then painted it yellow. Then I gave it a coat of varnish so that I can wipe it when it becomes dusty. So instead of using brush, I am using this cloth for nice finish. Then I left it to dry for about 5 to 6 hours. I love meaningful artworks. Art should convey some message or reflect your personality. In this artwork, everything has some meaning. The elephant here symbolizes power, strength, dignity, cooperative spirit, loyalty, and longevity. Moving on to the tree of life, leaves here are depicting petted joys of life. We should always appreciate and nurture them. The birds at the tip of each stem are our virtues like honesty, courage, compassion, and fidelity. And the flowers in the center have deep meaning. These are 7 chakras, also known as Shat Chakra. That's all for today. So I really hope this video was helpful, and in case you try to make this artwork, don't forget to share it with me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID and this is my Facebook ID. So that's all. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch either this video or this. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Bye bye.